Not too long ago, a friend of mine came visiting. A colleague, is a practitioner, is a professional, a practitioner at the other end of the practice. I call him doctor of chemicals. He called me doctor of this. So he came and then we were discussing. And in the course of our discussion dovetailed into herbs. And he started deriding herbs, saying all sort of unhearable things. My friend you cannot do it, you cannot, it's not scientific, it's not this, forget about it, rubbish, and so on and so forth. Then I asked him a question. Before you came here today, you were on duty, right? Say yes. Did you treat anybody today? He said, yes, of course. There are so many cases of malaria that I handled. Oh, malaria, fine, you, beautiful. What did you use? He said, "Oh, I use atomycin, like always, another LOC, and so on and so forth. I said, atomycin. Now, what if I told you now that you have used herb this morning? He said, how possible is that? How can I say that you have used herb? He used atomycin, and atomycin is stable, and anybody know that. I said, okay. Are you aware that this atomycin you are talking about and you are rating so high is derived from a herb called Artemisia annua? He looked at me and said, what do you mean? He said, go and do your research very well. Atomycin that you are rating so high, has been very effective for malaria, this and that, is from the herb called Artemisia annua. One of the components of Artemisia annua is atomycin, which has been discovered to be very good in the case of malaria treatment. Now, what they did is they extracted, because the active ingredient, they extracted it and then manipulated it into a tablet form. Another topic will come later where I'm going to tell you what some companies do when they notice that they cannot actually patentize, they cannot have patent rights over herbs. What they do in that respect, that scattered everything in the world of orthodox medicine. But those that are still trying to do it right, atomycin is derived from the herb called Artemisia annua. So he said, I said, yes, search it. And you know what? He actually picked his phone and searched it and discovered that it is true. Why condemning what you don't know? If you don't know something, please ask. There are so many herbs. There are so many tablets or orthodox drugs that are derived from herbs. And if you condemn those ones, then where is the mother tincture that you now use to produce what you are producing? What we are saying is it is better for you to take it in its natural form instead of adding chemicals and preservatives that now make it dangerous and having so much side effects in the system. You that you are looking at me now, you'll be shocked to realize that Artemisia annua is behind your house, or maybe along the path that takes your house. Wait, I'm going to describe you. You know it. I'm going to describe it. You know that leaf. If you are from the village and you are going to the farm, by the side of the road, you will see this leaf that have open fingers like this. When you touch it, it will close up. It will close. I don't know whether you know it. It's usually open like this. That's why when it is sunny, when you touch it, it will close like this. Now, if you know that leaf, then you will know Artemisia because they are just exactly the same. But this Artemisia, when you touch it, it will not close. So that you can see that the species, the different species, they look very much alike. So there's one when you touch it, it will fold. There's one when you touch it, it will not fold. That one that when you touch it, it will not fold is Artemisia annua. So you have medicine for your malaria. Join me some other time for more tips. And like I always say, share if you find the content useful. Thank you very much.